How is comfortable at home and has a dream that makes all women beautiful easily. What is your concern about hair? How studied, and I found it. Every component of nature that we can easily access makes us feel comfortable and beautiful. How knows that natural ingredients are better than artificial chemicals. Do a how. How Mango Shampoo. How Mango Shampoo is 97% natural. It's mild enough for even kids 2 years and older. The base is 38% mango water, not purified water. To minimize the irritation to the scalp, a surfactant derived from coconuts was used. Mango has anti-aging properties, antibacterial functions to help clean scalp, and many nutrients that help the growth of healthy hair. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties will help wash and keep the scalp clean. Also, this contains melon, papaya, and red grapefruit extracts that are great for healthy-looking hair. There are no silicones, sulfates, and parabens. Skin irritation test was passed. The How Premium Hair Serum. The How Premium Hair Serum has more protein than the How Hair Pack Serum, making this effective. Even if you use in short periods, easy to use for people on the go that have no time or ones not used. To the Hair Pack, a great way to maintain your hair daily. The How Hair Serum does not have the 5 major harmful ingredients, just like the How Hair Pack. The main ingredient, snow fungus, can hold 500 times its weight in moisture and has anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and anti-stress properties. This, like the hair pack, keeps the moisture and oils balanced in the scalp and hair for healthy hair growth. After shampooing, apply on damp hair a moderate amount. Keep on for about 2 to 3 minutes and rinse out with warm water. How Hair Serum has passed skin irritation test. How Hair Pack. When used once a week for 20 minutes, after 4 weeks, studies have shown 24.3% cuticle regeneration improvement. This is great for damaged hair recovery. Damage from perming, bleaching, coloring, and extensive use of heat tools. Also, as you can use the hair pack, it becomes easier to style. You get more volume and thicker hair that reduces hair loss. Using the hair pack will give you a more vivid and softer hair. Having snow fungus as the main ingredient, this can hold 500 times its weight in moisture as well as anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and anti-stress properties. It is well known to have linoleic acid, beta-glucan, and plant hyaluronic acid to help keep hair elastic and healthy. Both Eastern and Western oils great for hair is used to nourish and balance the oil and moisture balance for healthy hair growth. Having a healthy scalp and hair are very important for having healthy hair. The hair pack is 98% natural and pH 5.5, which shows how mild this product is. Skin irritation test was passed. 1. After shampooing, towel dry hair so that it is not dripping yet damp. 2. Spread the hair serum in the cap till about 2 centimeters the seal line and open the cap. 3. Use the tape for a perfect fit and keep on for 20 minutes. For intensive care, 40 minutes to an hour. 4. Take off the cap and rinse out with warm water. For damaged hair, use once every 3 days. For normal hair, use 1 hair pack a week. How Nature Dew Skin Essence. All-in-one cream that can be used as an eye cream, neck cream, and moisturizing cream. Beta-glucan promotes collagen regeneration and protects the skin from environmental pollutants. Shea butter moisturizes and AHA exfoliates to help skin regeneration. You will experience improvements in skin like lifting effects, decrease of discoloring, and other skin difficulties. After using a skin toner, apply evenly on face or neck. Uni's Mask Pack. The main ingredient is goat milk, Cleopatra's secret to her beauty. Uni's Mask Pack will relieve dry skin with deep, penetrating moisturization. The cream-type essence will give you deep moisturization and absorb like a clear type. Experience the deep penetrating and long-lasting moisturizing effect in your skin. No more 1 mask pack a day. This is something that you can do once or twice a week. The benefits last for 2 to 3 days. Passing the skin irritation test, this is suitable for sensitive skin. After washing the face, just wear the sheet mask so that it is applied evenly. Take it off after wearing it 20 minutes or more and gently tap the essence left on the skin. This will be enough for moisturizing and you will not need additional creams or lotions. Do a how.